frustrating. Hello guys, it's Amy again with Bargain Mama, and today is Monday. Yay! And I'm almost to work and I am extremely excited because I am back in my building. You're gonna slide back and forth because my thing that holds my phone in my car is a piece of crap. Like, it's from Armor All, I think. I can't stand it. So as soon as I find out where the sun is coming from, is it really right here? Oh, that's odd. I wouldn't have thought that. Anyways, so today's Monday. Happy Monday. I hope you guys had an amazing Thanksgiving weekend. I hope that you spent plenty of time with your family or whoever you spent time with. And today I just want to say that I have my follow-up. Since I haven't seen the doctor since my last infusion, so I'm kind of excited to see what he's going to say. And then this is going to follow, so walkthrough is going to follow this. Oh my gosh. So I went in trying to find the last couple of items for my 5 for 5. So Amy with Bella's Bargains and I are doing another gift baskets collab tomorrow, but okay, my hand, I'm literally trying, okay, but we're doing it 5 for 5 this time, guys. Like, it was hard, I'm not gonna lie. Like, it was hard to find a gift basket that everyone hasn't done on their channel before, and that people aren't like, duh, I could have put that together myself, which they probably still are, but I did my best. So anyways, and then, so when I went in, I was like, okay, like, I have gone so many times and gotten so much stuff. There's no way they have new stuff. No, guys, they have new stuff again. And so I was like, no, I just can't. So I did a walkthrough for you guys. It's not all Christmas. They had some of the cutest new novelty glasses. Oh, it is glasses. Oh my gosh, Amy. Monday. They had some of the cutest new novelty glasses. They had like cupcake ones, unicorn, mermaid. Oh my gosh, they were just so cute. Rainbows, like the 8-packs of the paper ones for parties or for whatever. What else did they have there? Their party section was amazing. They had the little candy dishes, you know, like with the lids. They just, oh my gosh, like the stuff they had was amazing. So I did a walkthrough for that. They even had new ornaments up, which I thought was crazy because I thought like we were done, like the Dollar Trees were going to be done with Christmas and we were moving on to the next holiday, and they had new ornaments up again. It was crazy. Excuse me, like little red truck ones that are, you guys know what, like some of the little red truck ones, I'm like, okay, get out of here. Like, that is janky. No, these, oh my gosh. And the snowman ones, yeah, I mean, I love them. They're amazingly cute. But anyway, so yes, there's a walkthrough after this because I was like, no, I will be in the poorhouse if I try to buy all this stuff again. So I did not buy it all. I'm very proud of myself. So I just wanted to tell you about that. So the walkthrough is coming. Tomorrow, again, is the 5 for 5 gift baskets with Amy from Bella's Bargains. Last week was so much fun. It was kind of like, so we do not talk about the gift baskets at all beforehand. Like, I'll text her, she'll text me and be like, hey, do you want to do another gift basket thing? Like 3 this time, 2 this time. This time she texted and she said, hey, do you want to do a 5 for 5 this time? And I was like, okay. So we do not talk about our gift baskets at all. If you watch last week's, I feel like we were pretty similar. Like, we both picked up the little red measuring things and did like kind of a baking gift basket. We both did like a total off the wall, like I used saran wrap, she used pool noodles, like for our basket. Like, it was just crazy. I feel like, I mean, it was just like, we have like the same minds. I do need to share with someone because mine does not work all the time. So anyways, I still got my arm up trying to block this sun for you guys, the things I do. Just kidding. And then the other thing I was going to tell you, so if you looked at my community page this last weekend, so I think 2 years ago or something, I did a craft fair and I had no idea what I was doing. I didn't do research. I thought, oh, that's gonna be easy. No, no, it wasn't. I used like, which is fine if you do, but I used like a Dollar Tree tablecloth. Like, the front of my booth was all open. I don't know. So it wasn't perfect this time, but I just really started like asking people questions and just kind of researching about like craft shows, like what can you do? I mean, some people, so there's a Facebook page that has like craft things, like craft fairs and booths. Okay, like I'm like, oh, okay guys, like those are a little extreme for me, like, you know. But so I got some ideas from that, and so this last Saturday I call it like my first craft fair, because I guess my last one was, but it was like 2.5 years ago or something, and I didn't sell one thing, which is fine. I'm so like thankful for the experience. But this time, guys, I had so much fun. I had fun the last time, but this one was a blast, and I met like the most amazing ladies. And somebody back there apparently was not going fast enough. Feel like I'm in New York right now. And the cutest little doggy. But I met some of the most amazing ladies that gave me some of the best ideas and told me some that I should go to. And so guys, I have another one this Saturday. Yes, I do. So this week sometime, I just want to go through and kind of, it's not going to be DIYs, I don't think. There's going to be a couple that I'm going to do, but my first video is just going to kind of show you guys like what I made and what I think I'm going to do videos on, and then you guys can be like, no, those videos are so like worn out in the market, don't do that, we'll never watch it. Or you can be like, hey, you didn't say that you were going to do one on this, but I would love to know, something like that, you know, which I'm sure everything I've done, everybody has already done. But anyways, you might find something. So that video is going to come out this week. So tomorrow, Tuesday, well, today is my walkthrough. Again, a lot of new stuff. Tomorrow, Tuesday, is my 5 for 5 with Miss Amy. And then Wednesday will be like what items I made and sold, or, you know, had out at my craft fair. And then then there'll be a haul on Thursday. Oh yeah, guys, like I've got videos coming out. And then after that I am hoping that after that, sorry, my car's telling me somebody's next to me, like, I don't know. So after that, I'm hoping that, it will be like a DIY video. But I do have 2 other collabs. Somehow I planned them. Well, I didn't plan them, but I didn't realize they were both for the same day. Not a big deal, because I don't have to film them on the same day. One is with North Carolina Mama and some other amazing people on doing the white Christmas tree. And I am going to be making a lot of my own ornaments out of, like different Dollar Tree stickers and stuff, which kind of sounds weird, I know, but I've already started them and they are looking amazing. And so that will be December 4th. So it's going to be how are we decorating our Dollar Tree Christmas tree. And then the second one on that same day is going to be a Christmas cookie recipe. So I have both of those coming out on December 4th. So I'm a busy girl with videos, guys. And like I said, I'm back at both of my jobs, which I'm extremely excited about. I'm not trying to wear myself out though. At my one job that's normally full-time, I am only doing about 5 hours a day instead of 8 to 10, which I think is what killed me before. And then during the month that I was off extremely ill, I did drop, I don't want to say drop because that sounds so rude, but I did refer 2 of my home health patients out to other therapists, just because they were kind of the furthest ones away. And I just wanted to kind of lessen my caseload a little bit, because obviously I don't want to get into that situation again. So I'm working both jobs again, because I could never get rid of either one, because I love both of them. But I'm also like cutting my hours down. Hey guys, I'm back. Anyways, so somehow, guys, I am planning on fitting all of that in here, plus my hot cocoa bar. Plus I have even more like DIYs that I want to do and show. I don't know. I'm a mess. Like, this is why I stress myself out, is because I'm like, oh, I'm going to do this and this and this. And then I'm like, oh yeah, there has to be sleep in there somewhere. But anyways, so yes, guys, I hope that you stay tuned for this walkthrough, because like I said, the stuff they had was like amazing. I'm the laziest person. I don't like to walk from very far at my work. It just wears me out. I like to park like, so this is off the subject and I'll let you guys go. But so for me, I will take, which is probably going to get bad stuff, but I will take like not the closest, but a very close parking spot, like if I'm at a grocery store. And my husband will park all the way in the back, and he's like, no, we need to save this for older people and people who need it. And I'm like, I need it, drop me off at the front. So anyways, he's always says like, no, we can walk. And I'm like, oh my gosh, push me in the cart on the way up. Anyways, guys, enjoy this walkthrough. I'm so excited. And tomorrow is going to be a different kind of video. Again, it is going to be the 5 for 5, but I will be doing it from my bathroom just because one of the items, well, first of all, I like to be different, and I figure I was going to do all of my filming in my craft room, but that's gone out the window, so why not show you every room of my house? That's not really why, but one of the things I want to show you how much different it's going to be, like already set up for someone versus in a basket. They're both very beautiful, but just the difference of the presentation of it. So I'll be in my bathroom tomorrow doing my whole haul. So anyways, guys, I hope that you have an amazing day. I hope that you truly enjoy this walkthrough that is coming up after this. Again, watch my 5 for 5 tomorrow with Amy, which is Tuesday. And then on December 4th, my decorating the Dollar Tree Christmas tree and my cookie video. So have a great day, guys. I'll talk to you later. Bye.
Okay, so this store just has so many things. Every time I come, I would be poor if I bought it all. I've seen these ones before. I have never seen the silver. These are so cute. And they have the 10 shot glasses. So cute. I mean, let's be honest. If you are throwing a Christmas party, let me see if I can zoom out. If you want to come here, here's the small little candy jars, the trifle containers. I mean, you can choose to save them, or guys, you can choose to throw them away, because after a Christmas party, there's the smaller scalloped containers. They have the larger. Oh, I've not seen these ones. They're circle. I like these ones. I'm gonna have to get some. Those are cute. But I'm just saying, like, they have clear, nobody wants to do dishes after a Christmas party. And then like they have the silver, they have you ready. They just have so much stuff here that, I mean, you could make it like so pretty and then you just throw it away. So their glass section, killing it. Look at how beautiful. Look at this one. I love, like, and they're huge. Doesn't say how big. No, yes, 4.21 by 5.47. Huge. So there's green. Again, the red buffalo plaid, the white buffalo check. There's more up here. Hold on for the ride. Oh, I need the milk glass. Look at these are apps. Look at that color. Oh my gosh, they're so pretty. This is my favorite, guys. Let's see. Alright, this store is killing it. Ooh, these are bigger jars, spaces, things too. They're huge. Let's see. Oh, they're by Crystar or something. I feel like I missed these, and I want to show you. There's like a heart in here. How cute. Oh my gosh. Just so cute stuff. So, these are not Greenbrier like I was showing you in the video the other day. Here you go. You might need it. I mean, there is just so many, like, hydrocortisone and everything. So they have all these popular snack mixes, which I think are a great deal. I mean, let's see, so cute, and so many good things. You guys, oh, when I moved back here to show you guys, I found the golden one. Yes, I'll be getting that. they have our names on them. Amy, MJ. I don't know who those MJ are, but still. Woohoo! And then, ooh, almost dropped my jar. Hold on, gotta put it in my car. That's like a golden one. And then we move down here. You guys, look at how beautiful these are. You stick a thing of lights in there, and it is gorgeous, gorgeous. I just wanted to show you that also. They have the fridge storage bins. That's kind of cool. That's really cool. I see people use the bigger one with the handle, but that's really cool. And they have these back again. How cute. I just love these. I do love these. I might get some for my mom because she does eggs. Just in case you haven't seen these, they're wood, and look at the back. They're red and black. So cute. Oh my gosh. 6 of these, and they're so cute. And they're wood, and guys, are you kidding me? Look at them. Oh my gosh. Oh, there's more. Oh my gosh. How cute. Oh my gosh. And then, I know we've seen these in the bigger ones, but how cute are these in the smaller ones? I'm just in love with them. Then, look at how colorful in the little head. And then, oh my gosh, so cute. Hold on, there's more. These ones I love. And then these are black and white. Love them. Oh, we're killing it today, guys. Look at these colors. And their crowns. Oh my gosh. And they're by this place. I don't know. Cute, cute. And then, just in case you don't like holding your phone when you play games, I think it is Greenbrier. It is. How cool is that? And let's see more because I thought I needed it. These felt stickers are absolutely beautiful. These, look at the gingerbreads. Oh my gosh, I love them. And then I know we've seen the trees, and this is probably easy to do, but these are ornaments. So these ones are silver with the toppers. I hate that they put gold up there, but whatever. And then look at the different novelty glasses. There's 6. So there's unicorns, mermaids. What's this one? Rainbows. Beautiful swans. And there's 8 in this one, but they're all different. Look, there's cupcakes in there. There are cupcakes in there, guys. And then I thought these were so cute. Okay, I'm back. These photo booth props, are those so cute? And then these are for my son because I think they're so cute. Okay, I'm back. These photo booth props, are those so cute? And then these are for my son because I think they're so cute.